I'm Ken, owner of Main Street Car Wash since 1985. Main Street Car Wash is the oldest car wash in Boynton Beach. It was built in 1980 and I took it over in 1985. So I've been here for 34 years. We're hands-on. We do the full service wash. We also do hand waxing and other detailing, complete interiors. And we do have an express lane for someone who doesn't want to spend all that time here. And our cleaning equipment is state-of-the-art. We just put a new conveyor in 2 years ago. One of the services that we do offer is we do headlight polishing. With the newer cars, since they went away from glass headlights, it's plastic, and over time they will fog up. So we do a quick service on that. The headlights can last a year or longer. There's a lot of attention to detail. We want to make sure the customer is happy. I've had the same customers here, a lot of them 20, 25, 30 years. And then we have a lot of new people coming in all the time too. The basics of what we do is we want to put out a dry, clean, shiny car. And that's what we've done for 34 years.